Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you for coming again. Today we will be installing the 360 lace wig that I showed you in the previous video of the unboxing. We're gonna put it in today. By the way, this is another unit. It's just a little synthetic wig that I threw on so I wouldn't come on here in a stocking cap. I'll have a tutorial coming up within the next few weeks of what I did with this hair. And I also have another color that is gorgeous, so stay tuned for that as well. Also, if this is your first time or if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Click that button down there. Also, likes and comments are greatly appreciated because it's a lot more fun when you guys talk to me. Let me know of anything that you want to see or anything that appeals to you. Just let me know in the comments below, okay? We are going to get into the video. So here's the unit, you guys. It is still really nice. It's really soft. I co-washed it and yeah, it's just beautiful. I put in a little bit of this hairstyler. I'm actually out of it because I love it so much. So I have to I think I have a new bottle, so I have to find that because it smells really great and it's good with the hair. It's argan oil and it has vitamin E in it too, so this stuff is a bomb. I'll link everything down below too, so you guys know what I've used or what I bought if you want to see it. So this is a 12-inch, 180% density Indian Remi hair. It's not like virgin human hair. It's Indian Remi. So Remi hair is processed. Like I said, I really like this hair, so I'm excited about this install. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so y'all can see what's going on under here. Not much. But just so you know, just in case you didn't see the previous video, the wig has 2 combs in the front, one, actually a really big one in the back, and like I said earlier, I've already co-washed it. Still looks really great. I put in some argan oil serum, and now we go throw this baby on and see how it looks. Okay, so maybe my head isn't as big as I think because it feels really, actually I have a lot of room in here, like way too much room. I could have done with the medium, but it's here, so we're gonna make it work in 2 ways. I'm just gonna secure the back. And it is, I dried it all night, but it is still a little wet in the back, so I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit for that. I am going to cut these pieces on the side first, and that'll just help me be able to peel this back to blow dry in the spot that I want. And then after it's all blow dried, then I'll cut the lace where it needs to be cut. For the blow drying part, I do have tissue paper here because I am a mess with this. I'm still new to this, you guys, so I get freeze spray everywhere. It just gets everywhere, so I try to be careful, but most of the time it ends up going all the way down my face or something. So try to do a little bit above the hairline. I'm using alcohol pads. This one's 70%. So you want to do your skin right where you're going to be putting it, and alcohol dries really fast, so just give it a little moment to dry course, I already put on makeup, a little bit of foundation, so that's okay. Just let it dry. It's dry. It dries really quick. And doing this, for me, spray a little bit. I do the sides, middle, side, okay? Some people start with the middle and then do the 2 sides. It's up to you. Whatever is most comfortable to you. And dry on the cool setting. That moment when you forget to press record and it's all done now. Actually, I got a really good hold. And if you've seen when I was doing it, make sure that you are combing through so you don't get any like the hair doesn't stick, because the glue will make the hair stick. Peel this back because I'm gonna cut. So now I'm going to cut close to the edge as I can using a zigzag motion. So I'm gonna get closer to the hairline. Forgive me, I need to go off camera because I need a real mirror. Okay, you guys, so I got it glued down well in the front. I don't know if it's the different type of lace because it is supposed to be a Swiss lace, but it glued down. You see that? Do you see that? It glued down so well. I have glued down other wigs, and not to say that they were bad or anything, they just took longer. And besides for that, like, I didn't even use glue. This feels like I'm gonna get at least like a week out of it. And I had to redo some stuff, and I literally had to like pull it off of my skin, and it has never been that hard before. So this is how it's looking right now. With the got to be, you have to be careful because, oops, sorry. You have to be careful because as you're putting it on, if you put too much, I always am combing through, but if you put too much, you can get like the white flaky stuff. So I actually just used the alcohol pads and that took it off. Did I mention I love this wig? I'm just like, I did not do anything with the back. I'm gonna have to get help. And then I realized that there are adjustable straps on here and I didn't tighten them, so I'm gonna get someone to tighten those for me in the back, and then hopefully they can also glue it down for me. Besides for that, the only other thing that I did off camera that you didn't see was cut off the ear tags. There was like a layer of hair and lace that was covering my ears, and that looks weird because nobody grows hair over their ears. So I cut those pieces off. Now I am going to go ahead and actually it needs to blow dry a little bit more in the back. Then I'm going to style it and show you guys the final look. Okay, so I'm using the Garnier Fructis Style. It's flat iron protector. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this on before I go ahead and start flat ironing. I have the whole series in this. I know I use like different products, but I have the whole, I have for blow drying, flat ironing, and then a mist to shine the hair. I like this stuff and it's inexpensive. You can buy it at Walmart. It smells good and it does its job. It is a mist and I don't want to weigh the hair down too much or, you know, like wet it too much, because that's the only thing about it in natural hair, it's a wet product, so kind of doesn't work well on natural hair. But this hair, it'll do good to just, okay, that's enough, just enough to get it throughout. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I don't really have an idea of how I want to style it. I just know I want some pretty kind of curls, but maybe like a wavy look, so it's not too curly. That's why I'm using the flat iron and not wand curling. It is hot. Let's see how it holds curl too. Just doing this last front part before kind of comb it out. For the front, I twisted them away from my face. It is hot with this flat iron on. It's hot outside. It's getting hotter and hotter. I up and decided that I wanted a ponytail, so I did a ponytail. I did not cut out any baby hairs for this style, so it looks really good. I don't know, I might decide. I've never done baby hairs before, so I might decide to do some at a later point, but not currently. Yeah, I'm not liking the way that I look. Hold on. Okay, so went ahead and fixed that. But okay, so if you're interested in this hair, I love it. Like, it curled. I mean, I was using a flat iron, of course, but it curled even nicely with that. It's straightened, so if I wanted it to be bone straight, that's fine. I didn't cut it at all, even though I intended to, so maybe at a later time I'll do something different with it. The lace, it's worth it. If there's an option to pay the $15, whatever, for the Swiss lace, I mean, this lace is glued into my scalp, and that's just with got to be glued. This is actually the, what do they call it? Brilliantine Shine Glossing Spray. So I'm just gonna just kind of set it with this. And yes, you guys, this is it. I love it. I really like this hair. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to like have all my makeup on and stuff, huh? Hold on, let me put my makeup on for y'all. Do it look any different? Because that's all I know how to do with makeup. I play too much. If you're gonna flat iron it, don't use nothing that's too high of a setting, because I think I was noticing a little more shedding while I was flat ironing, but I think the heat was just a little too high. This hair, oh my god, I love it. Okay, you guys, like, subscribe, follow, whatever you gotta do, comment below all of that. Let's get to 100 subscribers. Can we do that? Can y'all help me do that? Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, I hope it wasn't too long. Definitely got some more stuff coming out, so please stay tuned. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.